Hi, this is Foyaz F. Rahman. Welcome back for new content. Today I'm going to discuss about Epson EcoTank L3250 hardware failure. The 031006 error on an Epson EcoTank L3250 usually means a hardware fault related to the printhead power circuit. In many cases, it is linked to blown fuse on the mainboard, often labeled F301 F1, printhead short circuit, loose or damaged ribbon, FFC cable, moisture or ink leakage around the printhead. Rarely, failed firmware update or motherboard damage. Most common real cause. Technicians frequently report that fuse F301 F1 on the logic board is blown for this exact error code. Important. If the fuse blew because the printhead is shorted, simply replacing the fuse may cause it to blow again. The printhead and ribbon cables should also be checked. Repair difficulty. Basic cleaning, reseating cable, beginner, checking fuse with multimeter, intermediate, replacing F301 fuse or motherboard repair, technician level soldering.
তিনশো এক যদি শব্দ হতো, যদি সাউন্ড হয় তাহলে ফিউজটা ঠিক থাকে, আর যদি সাউন্ড না হয় তাহলে ফিউজটা নষ্ট। ঠিক আছে, এটা দিলে সাউন্ড হয়, এখানে সাউন্ড হয়, মানে ফিউজটা ডেড হয়ে গেছে। ইউটিউবারদের দেখাইতে হবে না। মিটার সহ দেখেন।